Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we will see how to delete your Monday.com account permanently. First of all, let's go to the Monday.com website and log into your account. Click on your profile icon. This will open a side menu on the screen where you need to look for Administration and click on it. A new page will appear with different options, and from the left side menu, find Billing and click on it to open. Here, first go to the Payment Methods section and make sure to remove any payment methods you have added before proceeding with the account closure. Once that's done, go to the Overview section. On the right side, in the Products section, you'll see your active subscription or free trial, so make sure to cancel that subscription or free trial before proceeding. Once you've done that, at the bottom, you'll see the Close My Account option. Click on it. If you close your account, you and your team will no longer be able to access any of your work or boards. If you agree, click Close Account. Your account will then be closed and Monday.com will refund any remaining balance within 10 business days. Click Got It. Now, your account is not fully deleted yet. To complete the removal, you need to choose the Permanently Delete option. Just click on Delete My Account Data and confirm your action by clicking Delete Account Data for good. On this page, you'll be informed that if you proceed, your account cannot be recovered after 30 days. They will also send an email to your teammates to notify them. If you agree, check the box stating that you understand all your data will be deleted, and then click Delete Data Anyway. Once you complete these steps, your Monday.com account will be permanently deleted